Hello and welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to add headings in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. Open your Google Docs document. Now highlight the text you want to turn into a heading. At the top, click the drop-down menu that says Normal Text. Now you can choose a heading style like heading 1, heading 2 or 3 depending on the structure you want. And that's it, your text is now a heading. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.